One morning, Baby Ooh woke up with a horrible feeling in her mouth. Oh, my mouth feels funny. Oh, my tongue is touching my tooth and it really hurts. It's really wiggly. Mama, oh, I need your help. So Mama O came in to see what was the matter. What is wrong, Baby Ooh? My tooth feels very funny. It hurts. Let's have a look. Mama O looked in Baby Oo's little tiny mouth. Oh, Baby Ooh, you have a loose tooth. Here, I'm going to get you some crunchy clams for breakfast. That might take it out. Oh, okay. So Mama O went to get some crabs and brought him back and put him on a coral reef. Go ahead and try it, Baby Ooh. Okay. So Baby Ooh took a bite. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, it hurts so bad. My tooth hurts so bad. Okay, well maybe some orange juice. I think you should rest for a while if your tooth isn't feeling very well. Here, let's have some orange juice. Mama O went to get a cup of orange juice. Okay, Baby Ooh, have a drink. It's delicious, but my tooth still hurts and it's still wiggly. Okay, well maybe just rest a bit. Soon Papa Ollie came in. I heard your tooth isn't feeling very good. What you need is to sing. We haven't done our singing this morning. Come along, family, and give it a try. And How about now, Baby Ooh? Oh, it's still hurting. I'm going to go swim next door and visit Cousin Sammy. All right, then. And so Baby Ooh swam away. So Baby Ooh made it to her cousins. Cousin Sammy! Cousin Sammy! Where are you? Oh, hey, cuz. How's it going? Oh, I got a loose tooth. Oh, yeah, that hurts. I got all my big teeth now, so I don't need to worry about that anymore. Well, it hurts and I need to get rid of it. Oh, I have an idea. I used to tie a string on my tooth and then swim really fast away and it would come out every time. That sounds painful. Well, it's not bad if you swim fast enough. Do you want to give it a try? Oh, okay, I guess so. So Sammy went away to get the string. I don't know, that sounds really painful. All right, I got it. All you have to do is swim away really fast and I'll hold on to it really tight. Are you ready? I don't know. Give it a try. On your mark, get set, go, swim. Oh, I can't. It's going to hurt too much. It's going to hurt. I can't do it, Sammy. Oh, all right. I'll think of something else. Soon, Cousin Sammy came back with some taffy. We're just going to keep pulling and making taffy this afternoon. That'll keep your mind off your pain. Oh, I love taffy. I love it. Thank you, Cousin Sammy. You're welcome. After all, we octopuses, we're the ones who really make saltwater taffy. Oh, I know. It's so good. And so they pulled the taffy, and they pulled it, and they stretched it. They swam up high and stretched it, and they swam below. It was so much fun. Baby Ooh was forgetting all about her pain. I also put peppermint in it, your favorite flavor. Oh, yummy. After a while, Cousin Sammy took a bite. I can't wait any longer. I'm going to give it a bite. It's really pepperminty. Oh, I love saltwater taffy. Delicious. Oh my goodness. Baby Ooh, you lost your tooth. It's stuck in the taffy. Oh, I did, didn't I? You sure did. Baby Ooh was excited. I lost my tooth! I lost my tooth! I'm so excited! She had the biggest grin on her face, and you could see the missing tooth. Yippee! So Baby Ooh swam home. She was excited. Look, I lost my tooth! I lost my tooth! Oh, you sure did. Good job, Baby Ooh. I'm so excited. Oh, it's wonderful. Now you don't have that nasty pain anymore. Yippee! I think we should sing in celebration. And so the octopus family sang their song together. Hello there, it's me, Ellie. Okay, so today we're talking about the O sounds from the octopus family. We have Ah for Ollie with a big wide open mouth, Ah. And then we have Mrs. O with the O poofy orange lips, O for orange. And then there's Baby Ooh with a tiny little mouth hole. That's who we're talking about mainly today, Baby Ooh. Okay, so Baby Ooh spells her name with two little O's. It just says ooh. And then sometimes we have, there's only a couple little words with one little ooh. All right? So I'm going to give you some examples. My assistant, can you take away the two? Thank you. We can leave Baby Ooh out here. Here's Baby Ooh, and that's how you spell her name. Okay, so just with one little O, we have words like t-oo, like this letter is to you. And then we also have the word do, as in, do you like your tea hot or cold? But most words with the Baby Ooh sound have two little O's, like the way she spells it, as in the word, excuse me, ba-oo, boo, yeah, okay, voila. Oh, hi guys. Hey, looks like I have some fan mail. All right, it is ooh me. All right, here it goes. Let's read it. Dear Jerome, I really like it when you do letter art. I have been learning how to draw with all the different letters, and it's been really fun. Thank you for being on Ellie and Jerome. Signed, Oop. Coop. Well, you're welcome, Coop. And I hope you keep watching because it's really fun to do Ellie and Jerome for you. Bye, guys. Hello there, it's me, Ellie. And tomorrow I'm going to be at someplace very fun. I'll give you a hint. Okay, my assistant, are you ready? All right then, here we go. Well, this place has elephants, and there will be alligators, and there will be zebras. Do you know where I'm going? Well, if you guessed zzz, ooh, as in the zoo, you're right. Voila! Hey guys, it's me, Jerome, and it's time for letter art. Oh yeah. Okay, so you know that we are going over the O's. The big ah for Ollie, big wide open mouth is just like this. And then Mrs. O has a big poofy orange lips, O for orange. And then baby ooh, well, she just has a little tiny hole like that. So we code hers really small. And so that's what we're going over. We're going to draw Baby Ooh, who actually spells her name with two of those little oohs. But still, even one of those, like in the word to and do, is still ooh. Okay, so ooh and ooh. All right, so we're going to draw Baby Ooh. So get out a dark marker. And we're going to draw a loop. And then were her legs. You can draw 4, 5, 6, 7. Doesn't really matter. Okay, big eyes. And then curve and a curve. She's got a little nose. Okay, and then just give her like a little hole. All right, she's got a little curve there for her hair. All right, now we're going to draw a photo of her mouth. Just draw a box like, a printed photo of her mouth. And her mouth, when she lost a tooth, go ahead and give her a smile. Okay, and we're going to draw, and a little line there. Okay, and we're going to give her maybe one over there and then all dark down there. So it looks like she lost one tooth. Okay, all right. That was our story, remember. And then her cousin Sam, we're going to draw a hat. Okay, and a little curvy thing. And then going down in. He has a smile. Okay, draw a curve in there. And then the bottom is dark. And then just a few little lines. Okay, circles and a dot. Circle, dot, a little nose. Okay, eyebrows. Maybe a few little freckles with the tip of your marker. And then again, you can do, however many legs you want. I'm just having my assistant put in whatever she wants. Okay, so there is Sam, Sam, and that would be colored red for apple. That's her cousin. And then this is just baby Ooh. And that's what her mouth looks like when she lost her tooth. Yeah. Okay, good job, guys. You can color them. Baby Ooh. It was kind of a purple, and then Sam is blue. All right. Good job, guys. And don't forget our list.